Okay, if you look right there where the shaft is coming down and going through the hole there, you can see that when I wiggle it, and I'm not putting a whole lot of force on it, there's a lot of play. See it right there on the right side? And that translates into quite a bit of movement down at the bottom of the tip of the bit. And I'm wiggling it 4.5 right now, and I still get a good amount of play. So I think that I need to replace this mounting unit here and get new holes, and I don't know. That's what I'm seeing anyway, so I thought I'd show you that.